Welcome. If you've ever scrolled through Facebook and come across a post from a page that you'd rather not see, you're not alone. With Facebook's latest update, hiding a page post on your PC is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to keep your feed exactly how you want it. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, take a moment to scroll through your newsfeed. Find the post from the page that you'd like to hide. It could be an ad, a meme, or just something you're not interested in seeing. When you've found the post, look towards the top right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is your options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up a list of actions you can take on this post. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Hide Post. Click on it. Instantly, Facebook will remove that post from your feed. Not only that, but Facebook will also show you fewer posts like it in the future, helping to tailor your feed to your preferences. That's all there is to it. Just 4 simple steps. Open Facebook in your browser, find the page post you want to hide, click the 3 dots, and select Hide Post. You don't need to unfollow the page or block it entirely, just a quick hide, and your feed is refreshed. With this new update, managing your Facebook experience is more straightforward than ever. Take control of what you see, and enjoy a feed that truly reflects your interests. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.